wait, I need glasses.
Why?
Because I have a plan.
Oh. Okay.
Here we go.
All right. Let's do it. Oh.
It's Monday, June 15th, 2020.
It got aggressive at some point. I'm not sure why. Hi.
I always get so sad when I come in here and nobody Highway to Friday to you.
What happened this week? Emma? Did you know my niece's name was Emma?
No.
Yeah. So what happened this week?
We did a lot of social stuff. We did a lot of graphic requests.
Ooh.
Lots of them. Some signs for the cafe. Well, we've been posting for the Jersey Shore. That's a fun one. We're trying to make that now into more of your go-to place for everything at the Jersey Shore. So we'll have things you can do, interesting facts.
Yeah.
Fun destinations.
I love interesting facts.
I love interesting facts.
Yeah. I love non-interesting facts.
I'm going to find some good ones for you.
I just saw the new Espresso Machine.
Ooh. Wow. Industrial? What does it look like?
It's so industrial.
Describe it to me.
Such a beaut.
Yeah.
Such a beaut.
Give me the
Which I feel
details.
There's got to be a whole world to coffee shop machinery, I imagine.
You mean a fantastical world within it, or just a world where people
No, inside the machine.
Yeah, there's just little beans.
We signed an agency, I think.
We did, yes. Rob told me
happened.
that, but you know what, I don't think I have audio of it. Hold on, I can't hear you. Boo, pew 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 pew. So it's good
We need a little bit of controversy in these curly fries. They're way too friendly all the time. Way too friendly.
Too much niceness.
Too much tree hugging. That's how I live my life. Blindly believing everything. Blind faith.
Blind faith. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen of the public, we thank you.